Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to create your account of Facebook in 2025. So let's get started. Facebook in your Chrome browser. Now here you will see create new account. Click on create new account. Now enter your name and your surname. Now you have to select your date of birth and now select your gender. Write your email in this. After this you will have to enter a strong valid password. Now just click on sign up. You have to enter a valid name that will meet the requirements of Facebook. Just click on sign up and wait until Facebook send you a Gmail. Now now you will receive a Gmail from Facebook. Now copy the code and paste it here. Click on confirm. Select OK. And now as you can see that your Facebook account has been created. If you found this video helpful, drop a like button and hit the subscribe button.